Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we're going to solve systems of linear equations using the elimination method. So let's look at this first one. We have 3x plus 2y equals 12 and 4x minus 2y equals 16. The cool thing here is that we can just add these together. So I can add them together here and the y's will cancel each other out. So we have 3x plus 4x gives me 7x. And when you add a positive 2y to a negative 2y, you get 0. So we'll just cross those off. And that's going to equal 12 plus 16, which is 28. We're then going to divide by 7 to find the value of x. Do that on both sides. 7's cancel on the left. And we get x equals 28 divided by 7, which is 4. We can now take this x value and put it back into one of the original equations. So I'm going to take this top equation here. You can use either one, the top or the bottom. And we'll do 3 times 4 plus 2y equals 12. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12, so 12 plus 2y equals 12. And you probably should be able to see here that y would have to be 0 because 12 plus 0 equals 12. But if you don't see that, you can subtract 12 from both sides. You get the 12's canceling out here. You get 2y equals 0. If you divide by 2, 0 divided by 2 is still 0, so y equals 0. And my solution to this first one is 4, 0. Okay, let's try another one. All right, then this next one here we have 5x minus y equals 11 and 2x plus 2y equals 23. Now, if we just add these right away, we're not going to cancel any of the variables out. But if I multiply the top equation here by 2, so I multiply this by 2, so 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times the negative y is a minus 2y, or plus negative 2y. And then 2 times 11 is 22. Okay, we're going to keep the bottom equation the same, so 2x plus 2y equals 23. Okay, we'll add these together now. 10x plus 2x is 12x. A negative 2y plus 2y is 0, so these cancel. And then that equals 22 plus 23, which is 45. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by 12. And we get x equals 45 divided by 12. Now, 12 times 3 is 36. 45 minus 36 is 9, so we get 3 and 9/12, or 3.75. for our x value. We're going to take that x value and plug it back into one of these equations. So let's use the bottom one. Let's do 2 times 3.75 plus 2 times y, and set that equal to 23. 2 times 3.75 is going to be 7.5 plus 2y equals 23. We're going to subtract 7.5 from both sides. Okay, 7.5 minus 7.5 is 0, so these cancel. we're left with 2y equals 23 minus 7.5, which is going to be 15.5. We're going to divide both sides by 2. 2's are going to cancel here. We'll get y equals 15.5 divided by 2, which is going to be 7.75. So our solution here is going to be the x value 3.75 and the y value is 7.75. Okay, let's try another one. All right, this next one, we have x plus 3y equals 7, and y minus x equals 13. And the thing you'll want to notice here is the y is before the x, so we can just rearrange the bottom equation while keeping the top one the same. So I'm going to have x plus 3y equals 7. We'll keep the top one the same. And I'm going to rewrite the bottom one as negative x plus y equals 13. And now when we add these together, the x's will cancel out, and we'll be left with just y. So these are going to cancel out. We're going to get 4y equals 20. We're then going to divide both sides by 4 and get y equals 5. Okay, so we can plug it that y value back into here. Okay, so we're going to say 5 minus x equals 13. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So negative x is going to equal 8. We divide both sides by negative 1. We get x equals negative 8. And our solution is going to be negative 8, 5. Okay, let's try one more. We're going to solve this last one. We've got negative 4x plus 2y equals 16 and 2x minus 3y equals 12. If I multiply the bottom equation here by 2 and then add them together, that's going to eliminate the x values. So I'm going to have negative 4x plus 2y equals 16. And the bottom 2 times 2x is positive 4x. 2 times negative 3y is minus 6y. And then 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, so when we do this, the x's will cancel. 2y minus 6y is negative 4y. 16 plus 24 is going to be 40. So now we'll divide both sides by negative 4. And we'll get y is equal to negative 10. We'll now take our y value and plug it back into one of these equations. I'm going to just use the bottom one. So I'm going to say 2x minus 3 times negative 10 equals 12. So 2x, again, we have a negative 3 times the negative 10, so 2x plus 30 equals 12. I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. And these are going to cancel. We're going to get 2x equals negative 18. Divide both sides by 2 now. And we get x equals -9. So our solution here is going to be -9, -10. And there we go. We're done with those problems. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. Also, if you have questions, leave a comment in the comments below.